Welcome to our planet series in Govinda Drishti. Altogether, there are 9 planets. We have covered the 7 major planets in Vedic astrology. In this video, I'm covering the 8th planet in the series. It will be a surprise for you. So first, I want to ask you a question. Did you know that Vedic astrology can analyze one's psychophysical nature? It can see one's psychological patterns, emotional blockages, and even character weaknesses. Today we'll be talking about the subtle yet powerful body of energy named Rahu, the north node of the moon. To understand Rahu is quite simple. Rahu's energy is basically twofold. Rahu indicates insatiable desire as well as falsity or lack of substance. One example that came to my mind that can most easily relate to Rahu, it's really understanding Rahu's form. In Vedic astrology, it's understood that Rahu is only the head without the body. So just imagine if someone is hungry, they're eating, but the food doesn't go anywhere. So 2 things are happening. The person is not getting full, they're still hungry, though they're eating, and they're not getting any nutrition because there's nowhere that it can go. So Rahu really is that energy in the horoscope that gives us that intense desire, but at the same time, it lacks fulfillment. Let's say Rahu in the 10th house. In Vedic astrology, the 10th house is the house of career, occupation, as well as reputation, status, etc. If Rahu is in the 10th, most probably you'll be quite famous, popular, and well known. Why is that? That's because Rahu is going to exaggerate your image and is going to expand your reputation. So that is basically fame. It will make you famous. Fame is a fake or an exaggerated image of someone. So Rahu in the 10th can give that. Another aspect of Rahu in the 10th, which is more of a psychological understanding, is that the person might be obsessive to have status and to have power and control over others. The other weakness that Rahu can bring here is that the person can also become a false leader or a false boss. That means that they will tell the people to do things that they will never do themselves. So in that way, if you know how to read the Rahu and Ketu, the astrologer can help you understand Rahu's situation in the horoscope and help you make the necessary adjustments to that mentality or that lack of fulfillment in your life. When you become more real in the area that Rahu sits and you try to become satisfied in that area, understanding that more of it won't bring the necessary or the desired feeling, then you can become more peaceful and become more balanced. The great astrologer Ernst Wilhelm has said that the only problem with the horoscope is Rahu. So I hope this helps you, and I see you next time.